Lyon, the third biggest city in France, is a chic, energetic metropolis with a ton of exciting things to see and do. The city, which the Romans founded in 43 BCE, has a fascinating history that is emphasized by a plethora of eye-catching museums and provocative art galleries. A total of 162 buildings, or around 10% of Lyon, are designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Reach the summit of Fourvière Hill to take in almost 2,000 years of exquisitely preserved history spanning from Vire-Lyon to the Presqu'île. There are a plethora of mysteries and hidden secrets in Lyon, so you'll never run out of things to do. You'll be kept quite busy by the city's top-notch galleries, historic streets, striking murals, and exciting festivals. You might be unsure where to start with the amazing selection of things to explore. We've put up a list of top activities in Lyon to make your life easier. You can be sure that you will have an amazing experience exploring one of the world's most historically significant cities if you put these sites and activities on your bucket list for Lyon. Number 10. Admire artworks at the Lyon Museum of BEAUX-ARTS. Museum of BEAUX-ARTS of Lyon is one of the best art galleries, although there are several excellent ones. Housed in a 1600s era medieval monastery, this museum is France's largest fine art gallery, second only to the Louvre. When you enter, you'll find 70 rooms filled with incredible artwork. In addition to intricate sculptures and priceless artifacts from ancient Egypt, you may view a wide variety of pieces from the 1300s through the 1900s in this location. This is one of the best museums in Lyon. Even if you do not know art at all, some of the most well-known works by well-known European artists, including Picasso, El Greco, Cézanne, Degas, Renoir, should be easily recognizable to you. One of our favorite sections of the art gallery is the Antiquities Show. About 600 antiquated Egyptian artifacts are kept in this location. There are innumerable treasures to be amazed by, ranging from statuettes and sarcophagi to busts and reliefs. Number 9. Use the quenelle to tantalize your taste buds. Getting a quenelle is one of the nicest things to do in Lyon during lunchtime. A delicate and sophisticated entree of fish dumplings, quenelle is one of the Lyon's most well-known and loved meals. A light and soft pie dumpling is cooked and steeped in a rich and indulgent langoustine sauce in this meal. When the menu indicates that there will be 15 to 20 minutes wait for the dish, you know you're in for a treat. It should be fantastic because the chef is creating from scratch. You can enjoy some of the most amazing quenelles at Café du Soleil. This quaint eatery serves a variety of cuisine and is tucked away in Saint George in Vire-Lyon. If you're not a fan of fish, the restaurant also serves a chicken version with mushroom sauce. Number 8. Look for street art in Lyon. One of the greatest locations in France to view street art produced by extraordinarily gifted artists is Lyon. It's rather common to turn a corner while exploring the city and run onto a massive, vibrant mural. There are about 100 murals to find in the city. They are most commonly found in working-class areas and public housing. Furthermore, looking for them is a terrific method to discover locations you otherwise might not have. One of the best places to view local street art is États-Unis. This is an outdoor museum featuring 25 original murals painted in the 1980s. Numerous are honoring Tony Garnier, who created the district's design in the 1920s. The original street art of Lyon is called BIÈRE, situated in the LYON-FOURVIÈRE district. It has an intriguing optical illusion with amazingly detailed elements and hyper-realistic visuals. Because of how remarkable and significant this mural is, it is refreshed and renovated every 10 years. Number 7. Attend the Lyon Beer Festival and get tipsy. One of the best things to do in Lyon in April is to take in the Beer Festival, which takes place throughout the city. The Beer Festival, which spans over one weekend every year, brings together brewers from around the globe to present their best works. Every year, over 100 unique craft brewers participate in the event to provide their unique beer to thousands of hop fans. In addition to offering international beer samples, the festival offers lectures that will educate you on craft beers and the brewing process. Many food trucks set up shop on the premises for the weekend, offering all the foods you could possibly want when you're a little tipsy to help soup up the beer. The entire weekend is filled with live music to keep the celebration going. You're in luck if you don't like beer, where beer is served at practically every stall. A few also serve hard cider and some even have locally produced wine. Number 6. Crawl through covered tunnels. Investigating Lyon's underground trabules is one of the greatest things to do there. There are underground passageways that lead to the Saone River, running beneath the buildings. About 40 of these Renaissance-era creations are currently accessible to the people. They are initially constructed to give Lyon's silk workers a quick, simple means of transporting fabrics between their factory and the river, as well as to serve a refuge during inclement weather. These days, the hidden tunnels are a fascinating tourist destination that you really must see. Around Rue des Trois Marais and Quai Saone is the ideal area to begin your adventure. The corridors wind across courtyards, over stairwells, and into and out of buildings. Make sure you're not inadvertently trespassing when investigating, as some of them travel through public property. Look for the green and yellow arrows if you get lost. These indicate that trabules are in the vicinity. Number 5. Starts with a Lyonnaise salad. If you believe that all salads were monotonous, reconsider. An adorably rich way to begin any meal is with a salad Lyonnaise. It is composed of green leaves, commonly fizzy, and has crunchy croutons, a soft poached egg, and crispy bacon bits on top. One of the Lyon's best appetizers, it's tossed in a spicy, acidic mustard dressing before being served. One of the best spots in the city to indulge yourself in a salad Lyonnaise is Le Pilon d'Or. Large pieces of crispy bacon and a perfectly soft poached egg are served with it at this eatery. You should also definitely try this famous meal at BOCUSE. Order the chef's menu for a gourmet dining experience. There is a vast array of decadent delicacies available on the 3-course menu, starting with salad Lyonnaise as an appetizer. For dessert, pass on the sweets and try one of their delicious local cheeses. Number 4. Discover ancient history at the LYON-FOURVIÈRE Gallo-Roman Museum. One of the greatest things to do in Lyon is spend a few hours at the Gallo-Roman Museum of LYON-FOURVIÈRE if you're interested in learning more about the history of the city. Located in the same complex as the museum is the ancient theatre of Fourvière, which is well worth a visit if you want to view authentic, more than 2,000-year-old Roman ruins. The modern, bunker-like rooms of the subterranean museum stand in stark contrast to the antique treasures and jewels it protects. Around a concrete ramp that progressively climbs in elevation are the exhibitions and display setup. It's little, but it holds a vast array of things to discover. Your attention can be captivated by the circus game mosaic. This priceless artifact, which is from the 2nd century, depicts a remarkable intricate chariot race. Some items that are well worth looking for are the Gaulish Coligny calendar and the Lyon tablet, which shows a record of speech made in the 1st century AD by the Roman Emperor Claudius. Number 3. Go to the L'Isle de Lyon Paul BOCUSE to pick up fresh ingredients. If you intend to prepare your own meals, make sure to stop at L'Isle de Lyon. One thing you really must do in Lyon is visit Paul BOCUSE. The world-famous Michelin-starred chef inspired the name of this enormous indoor food market, which has some of the best foodstuffs in the city. Everything from cold cuts, cheeses, baked products and seasonings to seasonal fruits, vegetables, meats and fish may be purchased here. If you want to prepare some mouth-watering meal that may be given in a restaurant, this is the finest location to go. The food market is well worth looking out, even if you don't intend to cook. You can choose from a wide variety of treats to bring home, such as spices, chocolates and wines. There's a modest food court with eateries and pubs offering a variety of regional cuisine if you feel hungry. If you want to eat here, think about having brunch or an early lunch because they can get very busy around lunchtime. Number 2. Extend your views with the flavors of Fouvière. Taking part in the Nights of Fouvière is one of the best things to do in Lyon. With 130,000 attendees annually, this intense festival has been running strong since 1946 and is one of the most well-liked events on the city's calendar. The festival is held in Fouvière Hills historic Roman amphitheater, where a jam-packed schedule of artistic and cultural events awaits. There is a great range of entertainment happening here, suitable for all ages and preferences, from dance presentations and opera productions to music performances and theatrical events to circus spectacles. Number 1. Find one of Europe's largest Renaissance old quarters. One of the Europe's biggest and most beautiful historic districts is BIÈRE. The silk trade of the city flourished during the 15th and 17th centuries. As a result, wealthy merchant families moved to Lyon from all around Germany, France and Italy. Hundreds of the magnificent Gothic and Renaissance homes constructed by immigrant families can still be found in the St. Paul, St. George and St. John neighborhood today. In addition to the elegant homes, BIÈRE is home to numerous other historic sites dating back many centuries. There are so many of them that it might be simple to dash between them and lose out on the unique vibe and personality of the area. Explore the winding streets at your own pace, making stops at adorable little boutiques and delicious-smelling family-run bakeries. Sip coffee in a local independent cafe while observing people going about their daily lives. Here at BIÈRE, you should calm down and savor each moment. In Lyon, every moment is an invitation to discover, explore, and savor the magic of this captivating city. From its ancient alleyways to its culinary delights, Lyon offers a symphony of experiences that will leave you spellbound and longing to return. So come, immerse yourself in the essence of France's gastronomic capital and let Lyon cast its spell on you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel content. Have a good trip.